Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image by GPT image. That's pretty nice. Nice lighting. Okay, enhanced this base AI generative image, then I expand to this size. Enhance with Korea and expand with Adobe Photoshop as always. The image is this. Nice. Okay. Then I made line drawing type image from this base enhanced image. Then change blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50%. Add over this base image. Got this half-tone image. Then duplicate base image, change blend mode to color, max opacity. Add over this half-tone image. Got very subtle amber color. Okay, then same layer, duplicate again, change blend mode to overlay, max opacity. Add over this half-tone image. Then I got this light image. Touch light. So let me tone down this image. Duplicate, then change blend mode to darken, shade, darker color. These are all same effect. Tone down about, maybe about this. Not much. From this to this, tone down highlight side. Yeah. Okay. Now make group. 5 layers. Then I'm gonna fix this image as a 1 layer better image. So duplicate this group. Then flatten this group image. Okay. We got a nice 1 layer better image. Now turn off this image. Then in this group, turn off this darker color. Then duplicate this line drawing type layer. Now we got the pretty light image as a base image. Okay, I'm gonna combine model's face from this better layer. Turn on, add mask. Invert this mask. Choose the brush. Airbrushing to soft brush. Pick white. Max opacity. About this size. Right? Nice expression. Okay, about this. Alright. Now duplicate this better layer. Then bottom layer, delete this mask. Now change blend mode to linear burn. Color burn is too harsh, yeah? So maybe linear burn. Yeah. Okay, keep it linear burn this time. Then I'm gonna add white layer over this. Add layer. Then fill this layer with white. Then change this layer to clipping mask. Alright. Now paint on this clipping layer. Add some shadow area. Now change brush, drawing to evolve. Then pick the color, maybe dark blue. Okay, opacity about not max, yeah? Okay, about this. Then change tool to smudge tool, same texture. Drawing to evolve. Alright, smudge this clipping layer. I love this texture. Smudge this. Solid colors and this. Okay, that's cool. Now we have different blues. Okay, they have different color, amber color. Then again, smudge. Okay. Now let me add gradation colors. Okay. Add layer for gradation colors. Okay. Change brush to soft brush. Then add mask on this gradation layer. Then invert this mask. Okay, before open this mask, gradation mask, I'm gonna add white layer under this gradation layer. Okay, to make white layer under layer, duplicate this clipping layer. Then change this clipping layer, change back to normal layer, no clipping. Then okay, mask this white layer, add mask. Then use evolve texture, change color to black. Okay, mask this white layer to show this shadow colors background. Yeah, alright, now opacity is pretty thin, about 30%, a little bit big size. Okay, now let's see. Before control this opacity of this mask, open this gradation colors, same evolve, change color to white, then about half opacity, give it nice texture of the gradations. Okay, now add some colors, darken this gradation layer. Okay, let me see. Touch darken this gradation colors. Duplicate this gradation layer. Then upper layer. Change blend mode to color burn or linear burn. Darken so much. I don't like that. How about? No, that's harsh. Interesting. Very subtle. Maybe. Okay, how about use this color blend mode it's gonna add some color contrast up. Okay, keep it this way, then move this color blend mode, leave this paint, move this layer up over this better layer so we can correct model's skin tone as well. Open this mask. Okay, model's skin tone, yeah. Then add color. Warm up. Before warm up, I'm gonna tone down yellowish color with soft brush. Complementary color. Then warm up. Okay, now skin tone's correct, pretty much. Let me open this better layer mask with evolve again. Okay, then smudge to blend in. Smudge with same evolve. Okay, then let me add catch light and stuff. That's from this line drawing type image. Duplicate, move this one up all the way top. Change blend mode to divide. Yeah, nice highest light. Okay, add mask. Invert this mask. Now open with soft brush. Give it nice highest light. Yeah, nice. Okay, keep it this, then now let me fix mask shapes. Okay, go from this mask. Okay, then now smash this. Okay, overall darken this jeans jacket. Smudge this layer, clipping layer. Okay, now let me fix overall image. Touch, lighten model's face. So duplicate this better layer. Then upper layer, change blend mode to screen. Tone down, then fill this layer with black. Then open touch. Let's see, touch open. Then correct color. Okay, I think pretty much done. Now touch darken edge. Use this mask, yeah? Okay. Duplicate this white layer. Then upper layer. Change blend mode. Well, okay, clear this. Fill this upper layer with white. Then invert this mask. Then change blend mode to linear burn. Then I'm gonna darken edge. Okay, paint. Okay, not too much. Yep, I think that's it. Okay, from this base enhanced image, add line drawing type image, luminosity blend mode, color blend mode, and overlay blend mode. Okay, this is the base image. Over this base image, add linear burn color. Add white clipping layer, painted clipping layer, darken. Then add gradation colors with mask, settle. Then duplicate this gradation colors, change blend mode to color to use not only gradation colors, fix some model's skin tone, but I add model's better image first. That's this on the face, yeah? Then add white border with mask, like so. Then lighten model's face with screen blend mode, touch, very subtle. Then warm up with gradation color, blend mode color layer. Then I add divide blend mode to add edge light, key light on model's face. Then darken edge of the white border with linear burn blend mode. That's it. Yep. From this to this. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope you're gonna find some idea for your creative work. You guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day. And thank you.